Hi guys, so if you want to see my school morning routine / get ready with me, keep watching. Hey guys, so this is my morning routine. Oh my god. So I'm going to do my eyebrows because that's the first thing I always do. I have this palette right here, and I'm just going to use the mirror to do my eyebrows. And then once I have my ugly ass eyebrows on, I'm going to take this. It's a concealer brush. Sorry. I'm going to take concealer using that. Oh, wait, gotta be a beauty guru. And I just take it. And this is a flat brush, so that's good. And I just get the product up on the side, and I carve out my eyebrow. Okay, so now I put on my foundation, so I'm just gonna do that. Y'all are my vanity mirror, so I'm like looking up. Sorry. New year, new me. Just kidding. Kinda, not really. Yeah. Now I put on my bronzer. I'll be back with you guys after I have my bronzer on. Wait, I have to set my face. So I'm gonna set my face, and then I'll be back with you guys. Oh well. I apply my false lashes. A lot of people at school ask me what lashes I use. I use the Vegas Nay Grand Glamour ones, and I think they're amazing, and they're only like $8, so honestly, like, because I'm just gonna put some mascara on now. I never wear my expensive makeup to school because honestly, like, I don't have time for that. This is just like a quick look. It's not really quick. I'm probably late because I walked to school because they canceled buses because my district is poor, and I'm probably gonna be so late. I have to see my best friend. I have to go pick out what I want to wear because I have no idea what I want to wear. So while this is drying, I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so I take this, and it has like a bunch of different eyeliners in it, and I just broke it. And I take, there's retractable, it's one called Kohl eyeliner, precise, and gel. I take the Kohl one, and I go on my waterline. Ooh, it tickles.
And then I'm gonna do my top mascara again in my bottom. I just look like a piece of dog asshole. Bruh, I'm so surprised YouTube doesn't like block my videos and stuff.
Why would they do that?
Cause I cuss. They probably
Have
just.
you not seen Jeffree Star?
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying, but I just never knew that they allowed that. Set my face with my sister's setting spray, and I put chapstick on because there's foundation on my lips, and then I eat my breakfast and I brush my teeth. I put my shoes, and I kind of fix my hair, not really. Yeah, I don't know what shoes I want to wear, but I'll show you guys the final product when I'm done. I don't usually wear highlighter, but I'm debating if I should or not. Should I wear highlighter? Okay, so I'm going to wear a little bit. I'm going to go natural because whenever I wear highlighter, I like to go full pop-in. Because, you know, why wear highlighter if you're not glowing? So I'm going to put on the highlighter. I take my B36 tapered highlight brush. And it has like jewels on it. It's pretty cute. And I take this highlighter. I forgot where it's from because I threw away the package. But it's like... It didn't break, luckily. But it's like goldish. You can't even see it. Okay guys, so this is my makeup. I put my hair in a bun like always. And I'll show you my outfit. Hi mamas. Hello. Oh, what do you see outside? Yeah. Yeah. And then as always, I put on my essential oils perfume. And then I also carry essential oils in my backpack, but bitches stole it, so awesome. I'll just get more again. I thought I just stepped on my cat. Namaste. There you are. Hello, mamas. Hello. Okay. I just don't meet your standards, do I? Wow. I just got an idea. I'm gonna wear my old school Vans, but roll up my pants. Like, and then, okay, so that's what I'm wearing. Just in case you're wondering, this shirt is from American Eagle. These pants are from Hollister. These are from Vans. Don't mind my messy ass bathroom. And hi. So I just brushed my teeth. Now I have my gum. I didn't put chapstick on, but it's okay because when I brush my teeth, the foundation came off. What I was saying earlier about my outfit, these are the 7 chakra stones. I got them offline. And these are different jewels. I bought them from my friend. Yeah, I'm pretty sure y'all could just hear all my chewing right now because the little thingies right here. But oh well. I'm walking to school. I left my sister because her ass takes too long. I was supposed to leave at 7:40. Okay, school starts at 8:30. Tardy bell, 8:40. I live 2 miles away. Like I said, My school canceled buses if you live within 2 miles away. It's about, I don't know, fucking 50 degrees. It's kind of embarrassing walking to school because it's like, ooh, I see a snack. Sorry. It's kind of embarrassing walking to school because it's like, oh, hi kids that ride my bus. You're just passing by me while I'm walking. Oh well. Oh well. I'm cool, so it's okay. And I guess this ends it here. There's a kid walking behind me who rides my bus, but it's okay. I guess this ends it here, everybody. I will see you in my next video. Oh, thank you guys for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time.